in the shotgun was when you stumble and fall on the echo that will answer your call.
So guys, try me to unbox my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I got the iPhone 17. Well, I didn't get it. My husband got me the iPhone 17 Pro Max plus the iPhone 17 Pro Max case. Okay, with the screen guard. If you don't have a screen guard in this house, they will help you unbreak it. Plus the screen guard. And guys, I also got the back camera protector. Yes, I did get it. Okay, if you want this phone to last for about 3 months, you need to protect it from these children. This is the back camera, the lens, the flash. So I decided it's going to be ideal to get it. So let's open the phone together. This time around, the way is quite easy to open. Okay, so just tear up this and tear up this. So this is iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange. I just, first time having something different, with iPhone, like something colorfully different, okay? That's why I didn't go for the other colors. I decided to go for this particular color because I find it quite interesting. So let's put it on. Yeah. So because right now I create content a lot, maybe I find it very interesting having an iPhone. This is it. So we're going to put in the case at the same time, not outside this cooking. Right here now, because we don't need storage, remember. So I'm gonna do this too. Like this. I love this case. This case is not the white transparent, it's kind of golden orange kind of thing, so it really blended. Okay, so I love. Right now we're gonna be putting the back case as well. We're doing everything together. No stories. First of all, let me protect the back camera. So this is for the back camera.
Keeping you whole when your mind's a maze and you can't see through. I'm the map always leading to you. I'm always here no matter the scene.
Careful.
In between. Ride or die till the end, we'll stay true. Whenever you need me, I'm here for you. When the world feels cold and out of control, I'm the rhythm that's keeping.
Okay, so this is the right and the dark. Okay, so let's do it right away. Right away. You can wait right away. Let's do it right away. Oh wow, this is cool. What it looks like for the back camera. Hello. So let me just get the phone out. And clean the back camera. Rise from the grind past the skyline's hue. I got your back like the sky's got blue. I'm always here no matter the scene. Try it. Through the chaos and the in-between. Ride or die till the end, we'll stay true. Whenever you need me, I'm here for you. Whenever you need me, I'm here for you. Whenever you need me, I'm here for you. When the world feels cold and out of control, I'm the rhythm that's keeping you whole.
When your mind's a maze and you can't see through, I'm the map always leading to you.
Guys, this is highly recommended. Highly recommended. See what it looks like. Beautiful. So I put it back into the place. Wow. So my back camera is 100 protected. See, let me show you guys. Remember, this case has opening here, so if you don't protect the back camera, it's gonna destroy. So it's very idyllic to put on the back camera, put the case in the back camera, so when it comes here, see, it's like this. Beautiful, beautiful. So right away, I'm gonna put on the, what is it called, the temper glass. Right away, we're doing everything right now. Very important. Okay. It has so many extras inside. Okay, so this is what it is. So this is the glass. I'm not sure how this glass is being put to. I figure it out. Okay, one. Okay, let's clean out the glass first. The wet and the dry. Start with the wet. The wet. The dry. Okay, and the two. Hold on to the sides. And hold on to the sides. Oh, okay. And three.